Started the question number 32A, in which X, Y and Z were partners in a firm sharing profit and loss equally. It means the old ratio is equal to 1 is to 1 is to 1, or 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. These are the three partners X, Y and Z. This is X, this is Y and this is Z. In this question, Z is retired. It means this Z is retired. This is a Z share and Z is retired from the partnership. So first of all, in this question, we are preparing a balance sheet in which the value of assets and the liabilities are increased or decreased, which is shown in the questions. The point first, freehold property we valued at 5,80,000. It means earlier in the balance sheet, freehold property is given 4 lakh. So the value of freehold property is increased. So it can be, this is debit side, this is credit side. So value of asset is increased. So this is by freehold property. The value of freehold property is increased by 1,80,000. 1,80,000. This is first point. Next is the value investment we valued at 47,000. Earlier the investment value is 50,000, and at the time of retirement the value of investment is 47,000. So investment is asset and it can be decreased by 3,000. So to investment, the value of investment decreased by 3,000. The next is stock we value at 94,000. Earlier the value of stock is 1 lakh. The value is decreased by 6,000. So the value of stock is decreased by 6,000. The next point, the provision for 5% to be made for doubtful debts. So value of asset is decreased. So to doubtful debts, the value of debt is decreased by 5%. So debt is 2 lakh. The value of 5% is 5 to 10. So 10,000 is decreased. When asset is decreased, it can be shown at the debit side. The next point, the trademark are valueless. It means at the time of the retirement, the value of trademark is totally nil. So to trademark, the value of trademarks is 20,000. So the value of trademark is decreased by 20,000. An item of 12,000 including in creditor not likely to be claimed. So the liability is decreased. When liability is decreased, it can be shown at the credit side by creditors, and the value of creditors is decreased by 12,000. Value of creditor is decreased by 12,000. So all the values in this question, the value of asset is increased or decreased, it can be shown in the revaluation account. So the revaluation account is completed and the credit side is more than the debit side, so we are balancing it. In this, the credit side is 1,92,000. 1,92,000. So to profit, this is distributed between X, Y and Z. These are the three partners. The balance is distributed. The total is 20 or 10, 30, 36 or 39. 1,92,000 minus 39,000. So this is subtracted and the value is 1 lakh. This 1,53,000. And this is distributed by 3. So each partner get 51,000 because the profit is equal 1:1 ratio. So the distribution of profit is 51,000 each partner, 51,000, 51,000, 51,000. So this is the revaluation at the time of the retirement of a partner. Thank you and have a nice day.